Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ardian, and today me and my team are gonna talk about the UI UX designer job. We will explain what it is, why it's important, what skills you need, and where this job is going in the future. Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's move.
There are three of us in this group. Firstly, me, Muhammad Ardian Nur Fauzan, and then Lukman Adiwidya, and the last one, Indra Arya Pratama. Okay, now Lukman will explain what UI UX designer actually is.
Okay, this slide will tell you about the definition of UI UX designer. A UI UX designer is responsible for designing both the appearance and the overall experience of a digital product, such as a mobile app, website, or information system. In short, this person makes sure a product not only works, but also looks good and feels easy to use. Next. Okay, so what is the difference between UI and UX? Let's break down. UI, or user interface, deals with the visual side of a product like colors, layout, buttons, and icons. UX, or user experience, focus on how comfortable and easy it feels for users to actually use the product from start to finish. Both work together to shape how a user feels about the product. Next, on this slide, let's talk about why this profession matters. According to a job description guide published by Better Team, UI UX designers are generally responsible for the full experience and a user has while interacting with a digital product. And they often work closely with marketing and development teams to keep the experience consistent across platform. This shows the role directly affects how well a product performs and how satisfied users feel, which is why company of all size now depends on strong UI UX design. Now let's move to the next slide where my teammate will explain the job description and required skills. Next.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Lukman. Now, this slide, job description, responsibilities, and require skills. Nah, job description and daily responsibilities. This slide covers the job description and daily responsibilities based on hiring guide from Toptel. The core responsibilities of a UI UX designer include gathering and understanding client or user requirement, conducting user researching and usability testing, and translating finding into wireframe, mockups, and prototype in simple terms. In the simple terms, daily tasks include researching what user need, sketching the basic layout, and designing the visual markup before it's hand off for development. Next. Required hard skill. First, industry standard designing tools. Now, let's look the hard skills required for this role. The same total guide list design tools such as Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD, and InVision as standard requirement. Beyond tools, designer also need a solid understanding of user-centered design principle and usability testing methods. Scientists from the foundation of every good design decision, along with a working knowledge of design system and basic prototype workflow. Next. Design system and prototyping, working knowledge of structured design system and robust interactive flow to high fidelity prototyping workflows. Okay, have three hard skills. Hard skills. Okay. Next, required soft skill, critical thinking. Moving to this next slide, let's talk to about the soft skills. The role requires critical thinking to understand user points, creativity to design effective solution, and strong communication skills. Science designers regularly present their work to teams, developers, and stakeholders alike. Before finalize any design, they also need to coordinate closely with developers to make sure it can actually be built. Okay, next slide, please. My teammate will cover the challenge and career opportunities in this field.
Okay, all right. Let's talk about the challenge. One thing that's pretty tough is designers need to think about what users actually need, not just what they personally like. They also have to practice a lot and learn tools like Figma and FigJam. Trends keep changing too, so they have to keep learning. And on top of that, they need to balance being creative while still making the product easy to use. Next, now, if you are interested in this field, there is actually a lot of jobs to choose from. If you like both design and user experience, you could be a full stack designer. And if you are more into the visual side, like colors and layout, then UI designer fits for you. Then if you like understanding how people think, you could go for UX designer or UX researcher. And if you want to handle the whole product, that's the product designer job. Next, for the future trends. Now, firstly, AI assisted design tools can now generate real layouts straight from Teams own design system, not just random mockups anymore. Second, interface are becoming more adaptive, so the app or website can actually change in real time based on what the user is trying to do. Third, accessibility is not optional anymore. It's becoming a core standard that every product needs to follow, so everyone can use it easily, including the people with disabilities. Fourth, we are seeing more spatial and 3D interface, especially with AR and VR device becoming more common. And the last one, design system are evolving too. They are not just documentation now, but they actually help guide and control both human and AI generated designs. Next, for the example trends design, first minimalist clean interface, and then 3D and motion design, and plasmorphism, and the last one is bento grid layout. Okay, that's for our presentation about the UX designer job. We talk about what it is, why it matters, and the skills you need, and the challenge also, and where it's heading in the future. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.